Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to send link on Monopoly Go. So for you to be able to send link on Monopoly Go and to share it with your friends, this is a step-by-step guide for you. So just a quick overview onto what the Monopoly Go looks like. So you'll have to click onto the Go orange button onto the middle part so that it will roll the dice and it will move your icon onto the board. So you'll have to click onto friends in here to send the link, and then right after click onto the green icon, and then you should be able to see two invites in here. Click on the orange button or the invite orange button for that so that you'll get redirected onto the page to go ahead and send in the link. So you should be able to see the copy option in here. You'll have to click onto that so that the copy or the link will be pasted onto your clipboard, and you should be able to be free to paste it onto other platforms. So you could send it to your friends or family. And if this is helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on your next video.